Hello and welcome to this video that explains some of the benefits of using Axis Camera Station for your unified end-to-end solutions. Axis Camera Station can combine your video and access control systems in one single interface. One of the benefits for an end user is that you can monitor your site to see who is entering and to visually verify they are who they say they are. This means that you can access real-time information from both your video surveillance system and your access control system, allowing for efficient monitoring with the ability to quickly react if unauthorized people access the premises. By using a combination of Axis cameras, door controllers, and intercoms, you can create a flexible and scalable solution. By using a single interface, you can easily train users on just one system and avoid moving between different programs for your video and access control solutions. Axis Camera Station has an intuitive interface and the ability to add maps if required. The maps give the user an easy-to-understand view of their installation and to show real-time information such as whether a door is open or closed. If a user has the correct level of authority, they can also add and remove users to the system and administrate the access control. Axis Camera Station can also use Microsoft Active Directory as a method of adding users to the system. For more information, please visit axis.com or contact your local Axis sales office for a demonstration.